Routine for math fact mastery. Math facts are fully mastered when students can complete 40 to 60 problems within 1 minute. To fully master math facts, students go through 3 stages. Stage 1 is the procedural knowledge phase. In this stage, students learn what it means to add and subtract, and manipulatives are used as a nice visual. Students need to understand the basic concepts of what it means to add and subtract before they can fully master their math facts. It's the first step. Students need to learn the basics. We use manipulatives, and this is the conceptual knowledge phase, where students learn if you have 2 items and we're adding 2 more, we'll have 4 items. An example of this would be we might use counting blocks as our manipulatives, and I might ask the class, what's 3 plus 4? Well, we can use our manipulatives and we can put 3 plus 4 more, and I can have students count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4.
3 plus 4 equals 7, not 5.
Our next stage is stage 2, the strategies phase. In this stage, students focus on learning strategies in order to solve math facts. Strategies such as our doubles, 3 plus 3 is 6 and 4 plus 4 are 8, are a great way to give students a quick foundation in order to fully master their skills. From there, we can build on that and go to our doubles plus ones. I may ask the class, what's 3 plus 4? Well, students will know that our doubles fact, 3 plus 3 is 6, and if we add 1 more for the 4, we have 6 plus 1 equals 7. It's important to note that students have to have a solid foundation in stage 1 in order to fully master stage 2. So it's really important for students to understand all the concepts that are involved when adding and subtracting. And also a quick note, if you're testing students on this, give them an unlimited amount of time to solve the problems. This stage is more about the process. Our final stage is stage 3, automaticity. In this stage, things become automatic. Students are able to solve 40 to 60 math facts in 1 minute. And common strategies that teachers use are something called overteaching, and it uses a lot of repetition. So in this stage, teachers really hammer home our math facts so students can fully understand it. One thing that I do with my students for problems such as maybe 2 plus 3 equals 5, I know the students understand that 2 plus 3 is 5, but when I have them answer those questions to me orally, I'll have them say the whole process out. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And it's just another way of repetition so students can fully master their math facts. A morning routine I may use for our students to teach math facts is once we're finished with our morning warm-up, I'm going to have the students break up into pairs. This should take about 1 minute. After they're broken up into pairs, we're going to separate the math fact sheet in half. So one student's doing one half while another's doing the other half. While the student is doing the top half, this student will be actively checking the answers to make sure that they're correct. If any are incorrect, the students will go over them vocally afterwards, saying the problems such as 2 plus 3 equals 5. This is part of stage 1 and stage 3. Students are getting a conceptual knowledge of adding numbers, and they're reinforcing their knowledge by saying it aloud. Once one student is finished with his half, they'll swap and the other student will be doing their work while this one checks. And then finally, maybe in the afternoon, when it gives you a chance to look over the math facts and see which ones are commonly missed, we can go over them as a class. I may call on students to actively answer the questions, and I might ask them what kind of strategies they use. We can use doubles plus 1 strategy for 4 plus 5.